Also reported for the removal of nitrate, phosphate, POD, COD reduction, and it is also suggested to remove the clean the municipal organic municipal waste using yeast. So since then, yeast was reported for the cleaning of wastewater. The people are involving to use yeast for the treatment of wastewater. The number of work is increasing from 1917 to 1989. Further, the research gap was that most of the time bacterial strains were used for the removal of colloidal turbidity. Freshwater was not explored much more, and most of this strain was reported for the removal of metals in the wastewater. The lead was obtained for this work when this dissertation work was going on in the mycological lab in the Department of Botany with Dr. Nandkumar Kamat sir. So hypothesis was proposed to check whether the freshwater could clarify effectively the turbidity in freshwater polluted due to entry of mine tailing water. To check the hypothesis, following objective was formulated: survey of freshwater habitat from mining and non-mining area of Goa, and isolation of natural aquatic yeast culture. Then further systematic screening, evaluation, and detection of promising strain for the biosedimentation of colloidal turbidity. Assessment of drinking water quality of mining areas of Goa. Lab scale biosedimentation test using natural yeast up to the scale of 10 to 100 liter, and further standardization of the biosedimentation test up to the scale of 500 to 1000 liter for the field level application, and molecular identification of the only selected yeast strain. So the whole work was divided into field work and lab work. The water sample for the isolation of yeast and for the assessment of drinking water quality was done, and further the isolation of microbes, their screening for promising biosedimentation, and their different characterization and identification, and high scale up of the biosedimentation procedure, and the economy of the work was considered. So coming to the objective one, the water habitat was surveyed on the basis of their availability, location, and source of water, and water sample was brought to the laboratory in pre-sterile plastic bottles, and they were processed within the 24 hours of the sample collection with the help of membrane filter method, and the 500 ml of water was passed through the membrane filter, and the filter paper was resuspended in a sterile water, and the water was spread plated on a standard MEA media, which was incorporated with antibiotics, and plate were incubated on the for 48 hours at 25 to 24 degrees centigrade, and the growth of the yeast were checked, and further the purified culture were maintained on the slant.